Well, they discontinued my favorite foam pad that they've ever made. I think this is a great foam pad. I don't know why you discontinued it, but apparently you guys came up with some new advanced technology. But this right here is my favorite one. I've been using for like the past 3 years. This is the ExPed Plus, and we're gonna be talking a little bit about this one, and then we're gonna be talking about a lot of the upgrades with the new model. This is the Flex 3R model. And in this video, I plan on going over some of the technical terms that they use, because all this stuff was new to me. I wanted to research it and see why they actually discontinued this one and then upgraded to this new model right here. But we're going to get into all the specs and all that terminology. So yeah, it's going to be a long video, but hopefully it's going to be very informative. Well, let's get straight into the video. Yeah, buddy. One of the reasons why I love this pad right here is because of this feature. It is a closed cell foam. And the difference between closed versus open, well, if it's closed, no moisture is going to get in this. Therefore, it's not going to get all moldy, and it's also going to have a higher R value. When you have something that is an open cell foam, they allow these tiny little holes in it to more act like a sponge. It's more like for cushion and padding. The main difference between the old pad versus the new pad, the Flex 3R, is the IXPE foam versus the XPE foam. So I decided to research what does IXPE foam versus XPE foam actually mean. Well, one is more going to be a chemical base, and then the other one is more irradiated. Irradiated?
Irradiated.
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 Okay, whatever that means. What it means is the IXPE foam is just better to its weight. It's going to add more insulation to the weight, and then it's going to last longer, and it's going to have a better hygiene because it's not giving off all those chemical gases. Then, of course, it is waterproof, which is great. And then it says what is commonly used for: camping, sleeping pads. Finally, we can start talking about this stuff right here. So I have 3 different pads out here, and I have the Flex 3R medium versus the Flex R large in width 1, and then we are gonna still compare it to my ExPed Plus. But we are gonna take a weight limit on all these, and then I'm gonna spread them out and show you the difference. And then we're gonna look at the width size too, because all those little specs do matter. So let's get into the specs, because the specs matter. All right, I want to point this out because we're looking at a bunch of different sizes. And this one, the height is just above 8 inches. My current pad is just below 4 inches. Then the medium size is just under 8 inches, maybe 7.34. And the reason why we have so many different heights is because we have different lengths. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to be taking the weight limit on all these, but they are different lengths, so take that into consideration. All right, starting with the ExPed Plus, and we're going to weigh this in ounces. We're looking at 10.86, that's in ounces, and for the gram counters, 308 grams. This is the ExPed Flex 3R medium size. We are looking at 15.94, that's in ounces. In grams, 452 grams. And that's for the medium size. And this is the ExPed Flex 3R, the large wide version. We're looking at 20.55 ounces and 583 grams. Now there's a big difference between the 2 different sizes, the medium versus the large wide. And I'll put the dimensions on the very bottom of the screen, but I just want to kind of give you what it looks like based on my frame. My frame is about 5'7", and my head is at the very top right here, and there's plenty of foot space down there, almost 2 panels worth. If you look, like my arms have plenty of space on both sides. My my hands aren't hanging off on the side. Then let me demonstrate the medium version. So this is the medium version, and my hands are still kind of like on, like as far as my shoulders are still on the mat. My hands kind of ding off just a little bit, but not a big difference. And it does cover my feet all the way down here. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna cut this one down to my size. And I've been using the ExPed Plus, and you'll see what I've been using. It's almost like 3/4 of the length. And the reason why I like this, because typically when I'm out there backpacking, I'll have a sit pad, and I'll just put my sit pad down here to kind of cover up those extra spaces. One of the main reasons why I got this model, the ExPed Plus, is because of how thick this foam is. This foam is actually 1.5 inches thick. Now the newer model, it's only 1.2 inches thick. But that's because of the IXPE foam. It's actually a different kind of foam. So it's not as thick, it's a little bit more dense. And the R value on these two are slightly different. This is 2.2 and this one is actually 2.8 R value. So you're actually getting a little bit more warmth when you switch over to the new model. I really like this size. So I cut this one down to the same size, and checking out the different weights, this one is actually a little bit lighter, and I'm actually really happy with this purchase. Not to mention, this one has a higher R value. Now, I do backpacking videos. I usually post on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and I go over different gear. I test it out, and I sometimes give good reviews, sometimes bad reviews, but at least I give you my honest opinion. And if you're into that kind of stuff, you might want to go ahead and follow along. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this video. I really enjoyed filming this one because I actually learned a ton. There's a bunch of different stuff that I didn't even know about. So it was really nice to actually dive into these two pads and try to figure out what the main difference is. And yeah, we can kind of see that there's a big difference as far as like how thick it is. But I'm sure like after I start using this more and more, it's gonna shrink down as well. Again, I'm Coach Bill 305, and thanks for watching. Yeah, buddy.